Yo, nah lie no man. Everybody a compare Massacre to Blood Clot Vybz Kartel. You see me? Me nah lie, Massacre bad. Massacre contribution mad. You see me? Like contribution and give to dancehall. Me nah lie, you see me? But right now, at this point, him can't size up to Vybz Kartel and if it happy. Yo, we no see amount of artists Kartel mad. We no see amount of artists mad to Kartel just to get successful and more. You remember before Kartel that presume and have a game lock. You see me, no artist can yo. You know see, a man say yo I'm alone to a show man. Like no. You see me? I'm alone. And that's why man didn't like him from morning, no. Yo Fred, yo Vybz Kartel mad, no artists, Conscience mad, I-Octane mad, Cargo mad, Nesbeth mad. Yo, me can name out one ton load of artists we mad. Two Vybz Kartel a lead the game. Remember me tell you man, you see me? All the little Rasta man them fire burn out like candle. You see me? When the guards are chipping a overdrive to Blood Clot. Yo, I tell you, Massacre, you're not ready for this yet, Blood Clot. You're not really run no artist out of dancehall. You're not really, you see me, you know, war nobody, but you're not war nobody. And you're not really bad enough to like take over a radio, take over streaming. You're not really bad, so dog. Like we that see everybody a post Vybz Kartel. You don't see nobody now post it, dog. Nobody no repost you. Every day people repost Vybz Kartel that will show you the impact where that man have until this day. Yeah. You see me? Yeah, dog. You're not ready for size up yet, man. You look a thing weak. You see me? You know see amount of artists give up. Pan music show Kartel in a overdrive when Kartel in a overdrive, man. I tell you Massacre. You think you look at two song them boy, you look at White and Mute from Blood Clot last year till now can run Blood Clot dancehall dog. You think Mute and White can run dancehall dog? Where Blood Clot or Rich Six dog? You think 3 song can run dancehall for 2 years dog? You must be mad. We wish artists are go free that 3 song for 2 years. You must be mad. No artist are free that 3 song. You look for Gage, you see all Gage mad. Because they suffer and the girls are overdrive. Remember me tell you man, enough of no artists. Remember I say no Massacre. You couldn't even boss when Gaza in overdrive, you know man. You have to wait till Gaza lock up, you know man. For show you know man, say yo, Gaza thing I not pick the thing dog. Gaza thing I no weak thing, Gaza thing.